Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video is going to be a virtual shop with me, and we're going to be checking out Amazon, and I'm going to be sharing my recent hits and misses. I know I'm not the only one that has purchased Amazon items more so than usual during this pandemic. So I want to share with you guys what I've been buying, and I will be announcing the winner of the Plum Paper Daily Planner at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. So starting off with the items that I've been purchasing some office related stuff, some miscellaneous things. I can show you better than I could tell you. So first up, we have this Amazon laminator. I've been wanting to get a laminator for quite some time. I walk past the Scotch one in Target all the time. I decided to go ahead and get this one from Amazon, and it is their 12-inch. Right now, as you can see, it is out of stock. I also did go ahead and get the laminating sheets. Works wonderfully. I'm using it with my current planner. Loving it. So this is definitely a hit for me. Next up, I'm sharing with you guys my latest venture, which is my Cricut. I'm making shirts and all other sorts of things. Anything that I can put a design on, I'm doing it. So I'm really excited about the designs that I've created. I did get my Cricut from Michael's, but I wanted to include it in here because it is a hit. I love it. I love it. I love it. Mine is actually in a candy red. I purchased mine, ironically enough, when it was on sale. Believe it was back in July. They had like 30% off all things Cricut. But having this, I went and bought all things Cricut, not just the machine, but the vinyl, all the accessories. And I ended up returning a lot of stuff. So the machine is a hit. So is the heat press. I have the largest one. This is actually the medium size one, but I have the larger one. And if you guys don't want to get the larger heat press and you want something that's more of a shirt heat press, just solely shirts really, they do have options that are in the $200 range that I saw, which is very, very affordable. So the heat press for me is a hit as well. Now, I had purchased the Cricut HTV, their heat transfer vinyl, and I don't like it at all. So this is definitely, when it comes to vinyl, both Cricut regular vinyl and especially the heat press, the HTV one, excuse me, the heat transfer vinyl, I just don't like it at all. It did not work for me. This is definitely a miss for me. But the vinyl that I did find that I love is this one from J&J Packaging. I purchased this little sample here first, and then I've gone ahead and purchased the rolls. I will say that when you're starting out with using a Cricut, that if you start out with these sheets when you're doing heat transfers or just vinyls in general, like permanent vinyls, there's also removable. There's a whole different layer. But the sheets are amazing. It's easy to work with. It's easy to weed. It stays on my projects. No issue at all. So I've been loving it. I also recently purchased their glitter HTV, and I just got 2 sets of this. I wanted just the gold, but they didn't have it in stock at the time, but I love it. And for these rolls, they do look a little bit bigger on the screen, of course. That can be deceiving, but you do get quite a bit of product on the roll, which I love. So I've tried both their heat transfer vinyl and their glitter. Definitely a hit for me. Moving on, I have a love-hate relationship with these pillows. Now, when you're using the heat press, you have to be careful to not scorch the material, which will leave lines. So these are good for absorbing. I know that Cricut has their little mat, which is expensive, so I gave this a try. It's all right. I can't call it a hit or a miss. It's all right. Then, as far as t-shirt prints, I went from using t-shirt transfers. I went from using an inkjet printer that went out and just failed me. So I moved to a laser printer. And with laser printers, because what it does is it heats the page, you have to be very careful in the heat transfer paper that you're using. So I found this brand. I did a whole bunch of trial and errors to see which one was going to work best. This one works great for me. Definitely give it a hit. I purchase when I'm doing trial and error. I do purchase in smaller quantities. And then if it works out, I will go ahead and purchase a larger one. Now, when it comes to removing mistakes, this is magic in a bottle. I love this stuff. Saw it when I was researching on YouTube, which I'm always doing. I love YouTube and TikTok when it comes to all things small business, Cricut, hacks, tricks, all of that. I love YouTube and TikTok because the information is ready and it's in real time. So I saw someone using this. They did say to apply this on the inside. So if you're using a regular vinyl from your Cricut, you can go ahead and just apply it to the inside of the shirt, stretch the material, and it'll peel right off. I actually decided to use this directly on the transfer. I had a picture on a jean jacket and it just didn't work out and I wanted to get it off. This worked wonderfully, and this is, again, magic in a bottle. So definitely a hit. Then we have these, moving on to just miscellaneous items that I've purchased for packaging. If you guys have ever shopped from my Etsy, again, I'm going to be releasing some new stuff. And I also have been selling stuff on Mercari as I have been destashing my closet. I have found items with tags still on them. So gotta have address labels. I do need to get the ones where I can use both sides of the page. I'm not to the point of needing a Dymo printer, but these work just fine. And then the other half of the page that I did not use, I usually recycle and use it in a different project. So this one I love. And then this one I recently got, and it works great with the laser printer. And you can see the different quantities that they have here, but I just went ahead and got the 100 count one. So both hits for me with the labels. Haven't had any issue with labels. This is one of the new things that I wanted to get. My grandma is always like literally ripping and cutting the mail. So I decided to make things easy and just get this identity theft guard stamp. I didn't get the refill. It was like a set of 2 that I could get. So I got that. Works great. Definitely a hit. This, for me, I saw it on TikTok and I was hoping, because I recently got a drill and I was hoping that I would be able to deep clean with this. The brushes are fine. It just doesn't work with my drill at all. I'm struggling. So this is a miss for me. If I happen to be able to piece it together and figure it out, cool. But nah, it's a miss for me right now. And this one I'm really disappointed about because I really wanted to do like a nice deep clean and kind of save my arm power. But yeah, definitely a miss. Now, some other items that I picked up. I got this categories game. This is one of the things when we were in like full down lockdown mode, when nothing was open. My friends and I would do brunch monthly and we had to stop because, of course, nothing was open. So we decided to do virtual. We did virtual game nights and just chat and all that stuff. And we played categories. I needed to get the game for myself. Absolutely love it. So that's definitely a hit. I got these scrunchies. Okay. My hair is currently in braids. I'm going to have braids the rest of 2020. I just need to get a fresh set. But like the variety that is inside of here. And if you guys want deals on Amazon, like what's on sale, like flash sales and everything, check out One Cute Couponer. I'll have her below. Her page is amazing. If you want to know about deals of anything, she's like the guru. But these are definitely a hit for me. Great for the price. Then with packaging, I also got these. This was one of the flash sales that she was showing. So I didn't pay $13 for these. I got them for about half the price. So definitely a hit. I love the pink. It's cute. All right. As I was saying, I have this laptop desk that I love. It's just this wood grain. They did have other options as well as far as the colors, but this is the one that I got. It was affordable. And it has this little slot here for the phone. So I'm able to have my computer and my phone propped up. I don't have to have it here. It's perfectly elevated. The cushion is great so that it doesn't heat up my legs. So definitely a hit. I got this mat for my desk. It's a miss for me because it's absolutely filthy right now. I don't know why I had to get the pearl one. That wasn't smart on my part. I should have got a darker color knowing me, but I had to go with this one. So that was my fault. The mat is nice. It comes rolled up. Very, very cute. Just put it out. You don't need to put anything on it for it to lay flat. It lays flat on its own. But it's a miss for me because I chose white. I shouldn't have done that. I should have got a darker color. And it also, when I would put things on it and it would sit for long periods of time, it would leave an indentation. So FYI on that. Then we have this gel lamp. I wanted to do my own nails. I know I'm not the only lady out there that was struggling with the nails at the beginning of quarantine. I actually had dip powder and it took me a while to get it off. And I was like, you know what? Instead of me spending money on something that I can do myself, let me go ahead and get the tools. So I got this gel lamp. The gel lamp is definitely a hit. But the nail polish that I chose, I hate this. I hate it. The gel nail polish. These are also mini bottles that I got. This is definitely a super duper miss. This is not, no. So if you guys know any gel nail polishes that you've tried from Amazon, let your girl know because this is just a no for me. Then one of my recent purchases, this I saw on TikTok. This is supposed to help with vinyls and applying them to different materials. This is a mini heat gun and I had an Amazon gift card. So I ended up only paying $5 for this. So I'm going to call it a hit because I got it on sale, but I haven't tried it yet. But this is one of my most recent purchases. Then these types of water bottles are a dime a dozen. So as you can see, this one's not here, but you can see this one's not available, I should say. But there's like two more here. I saw this on Instagram. I think I might have actually shared this in a haul previously. But this is the water bottle that I take to work. I love it. It's great. And my grandma actually bought like the little, the ice cubes that you can put into the bottles. So this is a hit for me. Got to stay hydrated. Then I got this mouse. I also got my best friend one too. I love it. I love that it lights up. This is a hit and miss for me based off the packaging. If you do buy this, be sure to carefully take it out of the box because they don't have the little USB inside. But now that I have my new MacBook, I think I want to go completely wireless with my mouse. So if you guys know any good options, let me know down in the comments. Now, this is a miss for me, a disappointing miss. This is the tripod that I have, and it looks so sturdy in this picture. It's not that sturdy in person. This is one of the products where I'm at the point of no return. I can't return it. So I'm just rigging this thing and hoping that it'll work. So far, so good. Sort of, kind of, but this is a miss for me. I would definitely suggest you get another brand. And I didn't even pay this. I did not pay this. I paid more than this now that I think about it. Oh no, I'm gonna have to look into that. I did not pay this. I think I paid almost $100. This does not look like the one that I have. It actually looks better with this gold detail. So I'm gonna have to look into that because no. This I also purchased. This is for me to be able to do videos from my phone, but it's currently a miss because it's missing. I have no idea where I put it. It's somewhere in my office. I thought I put it in my camera bag. So when I find it, I'll actually be able to use it, but it's a miss right now because it is literally missing. So those are my Amazon hits and misses. Let's go ahead and get into who won the plum paper daily planner giveaway. Thank you guys so much to everyone that entered, and I appreciate your feedback so much of what you want to see on the channel, and I'll definitely be bringing those videos throughout the rest of 2020 into 2021 and so on and so forth. Thank you guys so much for being a part of the Chaotic Critic fam. So the winner of the plum paper daily planner giveaway is Isabel Delgado. Congratulations, Isabel. Thank you so much for entering the giveaway. Please send me your contact information, your address, all of that to my email, chaoticcritic@gmail.com, as soon as possible so I can get the planner out to you. And upon receiving it, if you have any questions on getting it set up, just let me know. So congrats again, Isabel, and thank you again to everyone that entered. I would love to hear from you guys in the comments. What are your Amazon purchases lately? What did you think of my hits and misses? Let's chat in the comments. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have links to my previous shop with me's, as well as my Amazon store where you guys can check out these items for yourself. And of course, the links to the blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Would love to have you join us. And for all of you that are, I thank you guys so much. I love you. Stay safe. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.